What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I have the brand new Nomad Stratos band. And this is a hybrid titanium / FKM rubber band. It retails for $179. And in my opinion, this is the best watch band for the Apple Watch Ultra. So in order to hear my reasons for that, let's get into the review. Okay, so first let's talk about what's included in the box. So here we have the box for the Nomad case, the Stratos band. We have an link adjustment tool in here, additional links, including half-size links, and then other accessories and spare parts in case we need to replace any pieces for the watch band. So like I said, this one is titanium and it is their FKM rubber. And so this is available in black. Obviously I have the black version right here, but they also have the silver version depending on which Apple Watch you have. And so this, in my opinion, is like the perfect band because what it is basically, it's a combination. It's like as if their sport band, which is all the FKM rubber, this is completely made of that rubber material, and their titanium band. It's like if their sport band and their titanium band had a little baby, and this was the band that came out of it. And so what's perfect about this band, in my opinion, that makes it such an awesome band is that fact that it combines the usefulness and the aspects of the sport band and the titanium band, and it fuses them together. So what I mean by that is, when you want to be active and be able to get sweaty and be able to do things that, you know, with the watch that are like sports, you're gonna want to use a sport band. Obviously, that's why it's called a sport band, right? It's a great band. So this band provides the inside part. The inside links are all the FKM silicone, that rubber right there on the inside, but then you have the titanium band. So these are the two bands I use most. I use the sport band for normal everyday stuff when I'm doing sports, playing sports, basketball, working out, whatever. And then when I'm going to work, when I'm going to church, things like that, when I want to get dressed up, I use the titanium band. I would never use the titanium band to do anything sport related, but the fact that this band has on the inside the FKM, and it makes it very much more durable and you can move around in it much easier. I've been using this while playing basketball, by doing activities and sports and things and working out, and this band has been perfect. I love this band. So now, what I love about this is the fact that I don't have to use a sport band and a titanium band and constantly swap my watch between the two of them. I can now get rid of both of these and I can just use the Stratos band. So in my opinion, that makes this such a very unique, versatile band to be using on a regular basis. Let's get some close-ups and talk about details. So here's the band right here. This comes, like I said, in black and silver, and then the FKM part on the inside, you can get that in black, so you can barely even tell it's there. You can get it in the ultra orange, which I have here, or their super yellow. I forget what the yellow is, like cobalt or volt. Man, I think it's called volt, which is very bright yellow. So you can kind of barely see it. It's very subtle inside the links right there. I like the ultra orange because it matches with the ultra orange of the watch itself. I'm using this on Apple Watch Ultra 2. And so it does feature a magnetic clasp right here. Let's see. It just connects right there like that. And it just links in. So it's very simple to connect and link together. And once it's linked, it's good to go. And this is all water resistant. This watch band, you can use this to get wet. It is water resistant. It's very durable. It's really good for, like I said, both for sport, and then we want to look classy and have a watch band that you can use even when it's dressed up, like when you're wearing a suit or a dress shirt. It still looks very nice and very sharp. One thing I really like about these titanium links over the links, the typical watch band, the Nomad titanium band that I typically use, is these links are now, they're nice and rounded. You can see like the rounded edges. These ones are much more sharper. So like I said, I definitely couldn't use this band when like doing sports and things like that because it feels it's a little bit sharper, so it could cut into your arm when you're moving around too much. But this one feels so smooth and nice, and it has a nice smooth coating on top of it. So it's very comfortable to wear. It's very versatile. No issues whatsoever. It is my favorite band for my Apple Watch Ultra. So the FKM rubber that's on the inside here, this is basically like high-performing fluoroelastomer, what they call it, and it's antimicrobial as well. So which means it's going to inhibit any kind of growth of like microorganisms like bacteria or fungi or anything like that. It's going to do a really good job of keeping it, and you keep it clean and washed as long as you dry it off. There should be no issues with this band getting wet. And the titanium is grade 4 titanium, and it has scratch resistant, like a DLC coating on it as well, so it doesn't show any kind of scratches. And like I've been using this band for about 3 weeks now. And I mean, all you have to do is wipe it down and make sure that there's no, marks or anything on it, but like there's no scratches. It has like no issues. As you can see there, the magnetic clasp is very strong and very tight. So in my opinion, this is the best Apple Watch Ultra band out there, because now I don't have to swap bands anymore. I can just keep this one on my Apple Watch, and I can use it when I'm working out, doing sports, and then I can keep it on the band when I want to get dressed up and wear a suit or go to work or go to church, and it still looks sharp and nice and still looks professional and classy. So I'll provide a link down in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these for yourself. I definitely recommend you checking it out. It retails once again for $179 on Nomad's website. So that's it for me today. If you have any questions, post them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.